5 डॉट्स है, ये वाले डॉट्स की बात
ओके मैम, हाँ जी हाँ जी, यस इट्स 5,
ये डॉट्स 5 है
5 हाँ जी,
और ये लाइंस भी 5 है. There are 5 lines.
yes ma'am, yes,
Draw
done ma'am.
this picture and then I'll tell you what to do.
Yes ma'am. So numbers are also has to be written.
Yes.
Okay, so 5 1 2 5 7.
So this is 5. I'll tell you what exactly it is.
Yeah.
5.
Yes.
This is 7.
Yes.
Okay. This is
Yes ma'am.
This is 2. This is 2.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Inside this side it is 8.
Okay ma'am. That was not clear.
Yeah.
And
this
again.
is 8. This is 5.
Yes ma'am.
And this is 3.
Yes ma'am. Clear ma'am. Clear.
Perfect. I think
Yes,
everybody has drawn the picture on the paper.
Yes ma'am.
Perfect. I just hear one voice. Is everybody there with me? Is everybody there with me?
Yes.
I'll just click the picture and send it in the group also.
We can take screenshot also, na?
Yeah, you can. Only thing is you will have to either sit on the picture or you can draw it in the palm. Or you can actually draw it on a small paper and keep it on your hand. Keep it in between your hands. So whatever is comfortable to you, you can do it. I have sent it in the group. Kindly check.
सपना दी, ये हाथ पे बनानी है तो राइट हैंड पे तो नहीं बना पाएंगे, तो लेफ्ट हैंड पे बनानी है.
लेफ्ट हैंड पे.
ओके. एंड दिस वन 5, it comes on our middle finger.
I'll show you again. 5 दो जगह पे आ रहा है.
मैं कर दूंगी आप आज.
एक यहाँ पर आ रहा है 5 और एक यहाँ पे आ रहा है.
Okay.
I have sent it in the group. Kindly check.
Yeah.
I have sent it in Spiritual Sapna's group. You can kindly check there. Just once everybody is ready with the drawing, then we continue. Is
सपना जी, हाँ सपना जी, हम इस ग्रुप में नहीं है.
मैडम मैं आपको नंबर दे देती हूँ, आप मुझे हाई करके भेज दीजिए, मैं आपको ग्रुप में.
ठीक है. एक बार पिक्चर और दिखा देंगी. मैं 5 सेकंड टाइम कहाँ है जी?
हाँ जी दिखा देती हूँ. मैडम मैंने भेज दिया है, आप देख लीजिए. नंबर जिस नंबर पे भेजा है ना, वो नंबर पे आप मुझे हाई करके भेज दीजिएगा. मैं आपको बाद में ऐड कर दूंगी. मैं आपको पिक्चर दिखा देती हूँ तब तक.
जी. 5. ठीक है. थैंक यू.
वेलकम.
थैंक यू.
Is everybody ready with the picture?
Yes.
Perfect. Great. So do we start?
Yes.
So everybody ready with the drawing, right? The picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. So what you can do is, if the paper is small, you can actually, Priya, kindly, I have sent it, send me hi on my mobile. So what you can do is, if it is a small paper, you can just keep it in your palm and on your left palm, and your right palm should be on the left palm. Or you can actually sit on the picture, whatever is comfortable to you. Is everybody ready with that?
If we have drawn in our hand, we need to write number also.
Yes, number is important. See, it's the entire picture you have to draw. So whatever the picture plus the number, everything has to be there.
Okay.
पेपर फोल्ड करके रखना है मैम, पाम्स के बीच में?
नहीं, सीधा मैडम, सीधा रखना है. जैसे अगर आपने ऐसे रखा हुआ है तो इस तरीके से ही आएगा
जी.
और आपको अगर बैठ रहे हैं तो पेपर ऐसे, मतलब आप ड्राइंग के ऊपर बैठ रहे हैं.
ठीक है, ठीक.
So basically you have to sit on the paper. So if the paper is this, your drawing is like this, you just have to keep it and you have to sit on the paper. Or if it is a small paper, you just have to keep it on your palm and your other palm has to be there on the paper. I hope I'm clear.
Yes.
If written on the hand, then?
If you're written on the hand, then you can just keep your hand this way and your right hand has to be there on your left hand.
Oh.
Okay. I hope everybody's clear with that. Then we start. Once everybody's clear, then we start. Is everybody ready?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. So just close your eyes and focus on the sacred geometry that I have given it to you. This geometry is being given by Ma Durga. It is basically to get the power and protection. So you can actually draw it and keep it in your wallet also. आप draw करके अपने wallet में भी रख सकते हैं. जिस टाइम पे आपको लगता है कि भाई आपका energy नीचे जा रही है or your energy is going down, you can just keep it in your palm and just put your hands, both the hands, in between both the hands. And within like no time, you will feel the power of Ma Durga. So I would request you to kindly either sit or put it in between your palms, close your eyes and focus on your sacred geometry. Tashtakatatakamakarathi shitikiyatasamakarato shamakiyastatatasam tatasamti kinashoshokanati kastatatakam. Titikimikire tirkiyatiyatasomakarata nashokiyatasamakaratis tatatasamakaratis tatakamakaratis. Seti nikimikere te shamakiyatakamakaratakam shashashakarati shashashakarati shashakarati. Setemikina tatakorata kamakarati kamakarati kamakaratis 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 santa kamakarato shikina tatakarati samakarati shamakarati. Na tere kim kere kim taratim 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 shasta nakaratam taratam taratam. Shitikimikiyata samakarata samakarata sam taratam taratam. Meta nakaratoshta tatam sarati 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 sam taratam taratam taratam. Titikimikiyata kamakarata kamakayata shamakayata samakayata shamakayata samakayata samakayata sam. Teshtana karati shashashakarati sharakarati karati karati kam sasakarati sasakarati shashashakarati sasakarati. Let's put an intention. I invoke Ma Durga. And let's pray to her for the power and the protection. Satamakarato shastakari shastarati karati shamakaratam taratim taraki. Shashashashashashakarata tatakamakara tatakamakaratis karatashtarakam sasasatakarata tatakamakaratis tamakaratis Tekinakar karakam karakam sasasatakamakaраtam shashashakayata tatsamakaratis sharatim saratim saratim. You might feel vibration in your hand, in your body, in your particular body part. It is okay. It is absolutely fine. Some may actually feel that Ma Durga is in front of them. Sa tamakarati shashashakamakaratas tamakaratam taratam taratam. Tete kimikirete 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 tananandana kamakarati 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 kamakarati. Sisisi kimikiyata tatakamakaratta namakarati kamakarati 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 tashimikirete shamakarati sharati. Ikanakaratam shashashakaratam shashashtaratam taratam taratam. Ekanakam. Tatakiya tatakamakaratuu. Sastanakaratam shashashakaratam taratam taratam taratam. Tekina karati 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 shashashakarati karati karati tam karatam karatam karatam. Setanakar karakam 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 tashtiki kikina karato totoko makarati kikina taratata kamakarata kamakarata kamakaratam. Tekana karati shashashakamakarati shashashakamakarati shashashakamakarati. Just focus on your breath and on the sacred geometry. Shitikimiyata samakarato shumukarata nakarati shimikinata karata makarato kamakarati shashakarata samakarata. Tishtana karato makarati mikikirete kikikirete danashiyete samakarati shimikiyete kimikiyete namakarati shimikiyete nanana karata tatum. Tishtana tam taratam. Tishtana karatum sharatam sharatam sasasakamakarati shimikiyete tatakamakarata 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 tam. Shishikirete kimikirete kimikirete kikikimikirete kimikirete kimikirete tatatakamakiyeta samakarata samakarata tatakamakarati shikinata sasasakamakarata tam. Tekanakom karakom karakom shashashakamakarakom karakom karakom tashashakamakarata tatatakamakarathi kikikinata teyata samakarata samakarata tam. Tishtana karatom shashashakomakaratam sasasakaratam 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 tashashashashakanana tatatakamakaratam. Ekanatom taratom 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 shashashakana taratam saratam saratam saratam. Sheshtanakam taratam. Some might feel heaviness in their heart. It is absolutely fine. Just be in the process. Shishtana karati, shashtana karati, shashtana karati, samtarati, kikite kikidanta tatakamakarathi kimikirete kimikirete tam. Teta makaratam shashashakiyya tatatam tatatatakamakarati Ikamakarato kayata 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 karam takiyata tanana makarati titi yanda tashmikiyata tatatatakamakarata shushishishatatatatatam. Tim taratam 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 taratam. Itamikiyata kamakarati kimikiyata tatatatam. Tamakarato koko niyata takamakara tatatatatatamishi Tim kere kimikiyata tatatapam karatam taratam. Tashtana karatam taratam taratam tashtama karatam 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 tashyantam tam 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 tam. Tekina makarata kokuyata kakarata kiyata karata 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 takam karatam taratam 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 taratam. Teshana tatatatakamakarata shashashashakamakarathi shashashashakamakara kimiki Tahamaka ata aha amaka kakakam namakarata kahamaka nakarata So tamaka a ni 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 nanashtorototom taratam taratam kishtaratam taratam taratam tashushiki titiki natatatakamakarata tatatakamakaratatatatakamakaratam sisiki mikeratom taratom 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 tishtaratatata samakarati shashtarataratim taratim taratim shashtaratam taratam taratam Shishistaratam taratam, dastanakaratam taratam, tam taratam taratam, dastamakaratam taratam. Just be with this energy for next 2 minutes. Let the energy integrate with your auric field. Put an intention. I integrate the energy in my auric field. Sastanakamakishtaratam sastarakam. Setanakarati shashashtarakam. Shitanakarati shashashtarakam. Shitanakarati shashashtanakaratam. Sistanakaratam sasastanakaratam. Shitanakaratam sasastanakaratam. Setanakaratam shashashtanakaratam. Sistanakaratam sasastanakaratam. Shitanakarati tatatam karatam. Sikanakarati shashashtanakaratam. Sastanakaratam sastanakaratam. Shushtatakaram sasastatakaram sasastatakam. Shishtanakaratam sasastanakaratam. Sasastanakaratam. Sastanakaratam, sastanakaratam, shashashtanakaratam, shashashtanakaratam, sestanakaratam. Just integrate this energy. Integrate the energy in your auric field. Put an intention. I give myself permission to integrate the energy in my auric field. Sasastum, shashashtum, shashashtum, shashashtum. Sastanakam, shashashtum, sasastum, shashtanatum, sasastum, sasastum. Shitanakaratam, shashashtum, shashashtum. Shitanakam, sasastum, sasastum. Sastanakum, shashashtum, shashashtum, shashtanatum. Shashtum, shashtum, sasastum, sasastum. Shashtanakaratam, sasastum, sasastum. Now put your hands on your navel. Those who are holding the paper, with the paper, just put your hands on the navel. Those who are sitting, be seated on the sacred geometry and put your hands on the navel. That is a place of Ma Durga, just a little down from the navel, underneath the navel. Put your hands, both the hands on the navel. Shotokama sasam tereki shastena tataki yetisimikina shostoma karate. Sita nakarata shimikina tatakama korati shikina tatakama kihikina tarata samiki yetisimikire tishim tarata samakarata shamakarata nenetikire tetetiki mikire tekimito. Temikina sakarati shikiyata samakarati shimikirete shimikiyete samtaratam. Tam tere kimite kirete kimikirete kimikirete shamakarata samakarata samakarata sham tere kim shirete. Tatamakarati shikinata yata kamiki kikina sarata samakarato shumikiyeta samakarati shikinata takamakarate. Te stanakam shoshokoroto samakarati shimikiyeta samakarata shtarata stanakamakarata shamakiyeta samakarati shimikiyeta sam. Tem karatish karatish tatatamakarata nananakaratish taratish taratish. Visualize the energy of the sacred geometry is going inside through the navel. Your navel is absorbing the energy of the sacred geometry of Ma Durga. Sastanakum shishterikim shashtarakam tatakimikirete shastamakaratum sastanakaratum te kanakarati shtarati shtarati shtamakarata shikiyata samakarati titikina tatakamakarati shishishikina tatakamakarato shishishikina taratakamakarato Tishtanakam sasasakamakaratis taratish taratish me tanakarata makarato shikina tatakamakaratis shishikina tatakamakarato kamakarato me tanakaratish taratish taratish tatakamakaratis shishikina tatakamakarato kamakarato tatakamakaratis shishishikina tatakamakarato Mitokoro totoko yeta tatakama shishishiki yeta tatakama karati tikina tata shoshokoro tototokom. Sisiki yeta takama karata kamakara takashtara tatakama kiyeti tikina tatakoro totototokoma kiyeta tatakama karata shishishiki yeta tatatam. Tim taratam 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 tasasakamakarati shishkina tatakarata kamakarata kamakarata tatakamakarathi shishishishkina taratatatam. Testamakaratim shashtarakim teshterekim tashtarakim. You might feel the vibration on your navel. You might feel sensation or itchiness. It's okay. Just be in the process. Shushto kukmakara tatata kamakara tikimikire tikimikire titikimikire titikimikire titatata shimikire tatasamakara tatatam. Tim karatim sastana karatum shastana karatum sastana karatum. Mitana karatish tatakamakara tatakamakiyeta samakarati shimikiyete simikiyete samakiyeta samakiyeta sam. Tam tarakim shashashakamakara takamakaratis taratim taratim. Te kanakaratom sharatom saratom saratom. Te kanashish taratim taratim. Te tekimikire tekire tekire te kam sharatim sharatim sasasakamakarata shamakarata sastaratam taratam. Te kanatom taratom taratom shashishikina taratom isiyatata samakarata shtarate kina tatatakamakaratom. So stanakam saratam saratam sasasakaratam saratam. Setanakarati sharati sharati samakarata nananakarata makarati sharatam taratam taratam taratam. Titite kimikire tikimikiya tatata sham taratam saratam saratam. Shishishishkina tarata kamakarati kikikina tarata tatakamakaro tikina tatakamakaro shamikiya tatatakamakara shishishikimikiya tam. Takamakorata akakakiyeta akakakmikita kakakiyeta 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 kakiyeta tatam takiyeti titikina tatatokumishi tarototom. Tikena tatatotieta kamakarata tatata kamashi shishishikere Kina makarata kamakiyeta 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 kam shishishikina tatatata kiyeta kamakiyeta kamakiyeta tatata kimikiyeta tatatatam. Kinta makarato karato 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 kimikina na 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 shtarato to Tekana karati 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 kamakiyana na 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 shishta ahum tatatata am tatatata am tatatata am tatatata am tatatata Kita na makarata no kiyata takamakarati kita na nakarata tatata kamakarati kina Tikanama karatum sharatum 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 Sistana karatim kiritim kiranana makigeta tata kamakakana nana shishistorotum Tam taratam 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 shashtaratam taratam taratam Tikana tata kamakarata shishishishishishkaratotum taratatum Tastamakarati shashastamakarati shashastamakarati shastamakarati Sitamakarati sastamakarati sasastamakarati sastamakaratam sastamakarate Sitanakaratum shashashtanakaratum Sitonokurutum sasastanakaratam Sitanakaratam sasastanasaratam Shashtanakaratum sasastanakaratum Shistanatum sastanatum sasastanatum Shitanataratam sastanataratum Sastanasaratum sasastanasaratum Shashtanasaratum sasastanasaratum Let the energy integrate in your auric field. Put an intention. I integrate this energy of Ma Durga in my auric field. And may Ma Durga help me to raise my vibration and guide me in each and every step of my life. Just integrate this energy. May Ma Durga saves us from all the evils. Stomakarati. Stomach. Stamakish, tatash, stamakish, tatash, tatash, tamsh, tish, tish, tatamsh, titish, 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 samtirish, titikish, 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 tish, 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 titikish. Just integrate this energy. Shash tikish tikimish tatash 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 simtish shimtish shimtish sanam tamshe tamshe tamshesh 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 mitanash tatatamsh tatash Titish, tamash, tatash, tatash, tatamsh, takansh, tam, shushush, tatosh, tatamsh, tatish, tatash, tatash, tamsh, tatash, tatamsh, tatash, tamsh, tatash, tatash, tish, tanash, tamakash, tatatash, tamakish, Titisham tash tatam shishish tatatasam tishishish tatatasam. Sastomish takash tatash 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 tamtush. Titimsh tikinamish tatish tatash tatash tatash. Take a deep breath and exhale. Take a deep breath again. And exhale. Take a deep breath again. And exhale. Slowly come back to your senses. Rub your hands and keep it on your eyes. And open your eyes with a beautiful smile. Is everybody back to their senses?
Yes, Di.
Great. Anybody would like to share their experience?
जब आप पढ़ रहे थे तो मुझे
May I know who is this? आपका नाम बताएंगे प्लीज?
या नेहा.
नेहा आप प्लीज अपना वीडियो ऑन करेंगे?
एक्चुअली मेरे यहाँ पे मैंने लाइट बंद रखी है, वीडियो ऑन करके भी आपको कुछ ये नहीं होगा.
ओके ठीक है, बताइए.
मुझे मेरे ज्ञान चक्र मतलब थर्ड आई के बीच में कुछ सेंसेस हो रहे थे एंड वहां पे मुझे बहुत हैवी लग रहा था. बीच में मुझे एक लाइट भी वहां पे दिखी और स्टार्टिंग में जब आपने स्टार्ट किया, जब मुझे ऐसे लगा था काली माँ शी इज कमिंग टू मी एंड वहीं से ही मतलब मुझे वहां पे ही दिख रही थी वो.
ओके ओके.
एंड फिर उसके बाद अभी भी मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ तो मेरा पूरा ब्रेन में ऐसे जैसे कुछ बहुत ऐसे क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग,
वाइब्रेशन फील हो रही है?
यस, वाइब्रेशन फील हो रही है.
ग्रेट ग्रेट. थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग नेहा जी. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
या थैंक यू सो मच.
Sudeep ji, I will just let you know what to do with the, let's have one or two sharing and then I will let you know what to do. Yeah, anybody else would like to share their experience?
हाँ, या मैम बहुत ज्यादा एनर्जी फील हो रही थी और जब हम उस पेपर पे बैठे हुए हैं तो नीचे बहुत मेरे को तो हीट भी और ऐसे लग रहा था कि हम किसी की गोदी में बैठे हुए हैं जैसे. बहुत मैंने इमेजिनेशन में अपने पाम पर भी ड्रॉ किया कि मेरे माइंड में ये पिक्चर बैठ जाए और मैं कभी भी उसको यूज कर सकूं. तो मेरे हाथ से वाइब्रेशन निकलनी शुरू हो गई पाम से.
हाँ. ये जो सेक्रेट ज्योमेट्री जो है ये मुझे माँ दुर्गा ने दी है. ये बेसिकली पावर और सेफ्टी के लिए है. मैं एक मिनट, पावर और सेफ्टी के लिए है. तो आपको जब भी ऐसा लगता है कि भाई पावरलेस फील होता है या आपको लगता है कि भाई शायद आपकी ऑरा सही नहीं है या फिर कहीं से आप ऐसे आ रहे हैं जहाँ से बहुत ज्यादा नेगेटिविटी है, सिर्फ 5 मिनट इस पेपर पे बैठिए, इस सिंबल पे बैठिए, या तो फिर आप हाथ में रखिए और दूसरा हाथ बंद कर दीजिए। 5 मिनट में आपको एनर्जी फील होगी, आपकी जो पूरी ऑरा है वो क्लीन हो जाएगी। It will just clear all the negativity from the aura, and it will give you that power.
Okay.
You can, even while you're going out, maybe just going out for some work, just stepping out of your house, you can actually visualize that you're drawing it on your body, and it will safeguard you. So it will create a shield around your aura, and it will safeguard you from all the negativity.
Thank you. Very nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Anybody else would like to share their experience? किसी और को अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना है?
सपना जी?
हाँ जी, मनीषा जी बताइए.
Manisha here. Sorry, the video is not on. There's no power.
That's okay. Please tell me.
I could feel lots of heat on my navel.
Okay.
So it was amazing. I mean, I went in a trance sort of.
Okay, that's nice. That's really nice. Thank you. Thank you. Thank
so
you for
much.
sharing. Thank you. Yes, Priya ji, you can actually keep this symbol under his pillow, and he'll feel the difference. Yes, you can do that. Anybody else would like to share their experience? So this is the first day of our meditation. We are doing it for 3 consecutive days. Today being Ashtami, we have started with Ma Durga. Tomorrow we'll be doing it for Mahalakshmi, to invoke Mahalakshmi, to obviously to invoke the financial abundance in our life. And the last day would be Ma Saraswati. We have lot of knowledge. Everybody has lot of knowledge. We just need to convert that knowledge into wisdom. So we'll request Ma Saraswati to help us and help us to convert the knowledge into wisdom. So we have 3 consecutive days. I request you all to be there on time tomorrow. Thank you very much. Thank you. Sonia ji, I did not understand what you are trying to ask. Could you please either elaborate? Sonia ji, are you there? I'm sorry, I did not understand what. Okay. And yes, you can actually, what you can do is you can just draw it on the piece of paper, small piece of paper, and put it in his wallet. You can do that. Anybody else would like to share their experience? Thank you. I'll see you all tomorrow. Thank you for the day. Just try to listen to this meditation again. I will be putting it on the YouTube. So I would request you to do it at least once or twice. Tomorrow, day after, anytime, whenever you feel like. I would request you to at least do it for 2-3 times. Thank you very much. Thank you.